What's up, real fans? We have 2 trains coming, I believe. We have a train down there. No idea what the symbol is. We have a train over there. Coming, approaching now. Just cleared 90. 90 is 3 miles away, but it cleared 90 like a minute ago. But Skater's like a minute behind. Yep, there's the light. There's the light. Two trains right here, man. Let's go. You sped up, not slow down. They're the wrong thing. They're gonna meet right in front of me. They're gonna meet right here. Sad. There's a sticker grenade on the other side. I'm voting for the westbound. Yep, the westbound. It was the westbound. There we go. BNSF. It's the closest thing I could get to a BNSF tonight. BNSF on a Rockabilly. I mean, it's cool. We got something. Yeah. I think that was. Jeez. I don't know what the other train was. What's the train that heads west at night? Maybe the other train. I don't know. Don't know. 22M meeting unknown intermodal. I know the other one. The other one was 22M. Now I'm gonna get back to eating my KFC because it's good. Oh, that was great, guys. See you all in the next one. And peace. Train meet. All right. First train's in March, actually. For me. All right. Peace.